Hi guys, it's Micho here. In this video, I am going to unbox and review Razer Kraken X headset. So let's just start the unboxing right away. The first thing we will find is this mini card that contains the activation code for the 7.1 surround sound software. I think we should talk more about this near the end of the video, right? And the next thing we will find is this important product information guide that comes in various languages for you to easily understand. And here's the famous Razer logo stickers. Our baby is out. Take note that it's only available in black as the console version is not available in Malaysia. What you are seeing right now is the audio or mic splitter extension cable. It's designed for use with computers equipped with separate audio output and microphone input jacks. As soon as I put it on, I immediately fell in love with the perfect fit. I do not need to extend the headband at all to fit my head. And I also think that the headband padding and the ear cup cushion are really soft. So, I want to test wear it with my glasses on. Yup, still comfy after testing wearing it with my glasses on. According to Razer, they are using plush memory foam cushions with eyewear channels so it provides the gamer with ideal comfort. Plus, the headset weighs only 250 grams, so it's extra light. Underneath left ear cup, we will find the conveniently placed audio control. It's the mic mute button and also the volume wheel. The purchase of Kraken X comes with 7.1 surround sound software that's only available on Windows 10 64-bit. Although the Kraken X standard sound is just fine, but using the 7.1 surround sound helps enhance the overall experience as it gives you a new level of immersion with greater audio positioning, so it feels like you are in the middle of action. Now that the video is coming to the end, wait, what? You mean I haven't do the mic test recording? Hey, you've been listening to me talking, reviewing, or recorded using Razer Kraken X mic. So you can hear it for yourself. This is the quality of the mic recording using Razer Kraken X. Finally! Is this a product I would recommend to others? For its performance and affordability at only 209 ringgit, I would definitely say yes. Now thanks for watching my video till the very end, and perhaps see you next time. Bye!